This report is written in honor and remembrance of Ezra Momanyi Obiero, a devoted servant of God, whose life was marked by faithful service, humility, and unwavering commitment to the work of the church. His death has left a deep void in our congregation, yet his legacy of service continues to inspire us. Ezra was a faithful church member, a deacon, a chorister, assistant choir director, the church communication leader, and a council member of several church departments, including AMO, where he served as a spiritual leader. Ezra Momanyi Obiero joined Kisii Wolof SDA Church in the year 2015, transferring his membership from Kisii University SDA Church. Ezra Momanyi Obiero married his lovely wife, the late Ellen Kemunto Mariaka, in a colorful church wedding, which was held on 28th of October 2018. He was ordained as a deacon on 21st of January 2021. In his service as a deacon, Ezra served with great diligence, integrity, and a genuine heart for God's people. He supported church membership, assisted in worship service, and was always willing to take responsibility where needed. His conduct reflected biblical qualities of a deacon, faithful, disciplined, and full of compassion. In ministry, music, and worship, Ezra was a dedicated chorister and an assistant music leader, using his God-given talents to lead the congregation in meaningful worship. Through song, he encouraged unity, reverence, and spiritual growth. His leadership in music uplifted services and helped draw many closer to God. He was an inceptor and the chair of the Christ Adoration Choir until his demise. His deep voice, which reverberated well, will forever be missed. Beyond his official roles, Ezra was a committed royal church member. He participated actively in church programs, supported fellow members, and demonstrated love and respect to all. His presence was a source of encouragement, and his life reflected Christian values both within and outside the church. His support for church development as a resource mobilizer is highly appreciated. As a communication leader, his role as a communication leader, Deacon Ezra ensured effective information flow within the church.